Good morning, students. This is your moral teaching class. Today we will start lesson number 3. So, everyone take out your book and write down date and quotation. Today's date is 11/9/20. Greet with love. Lesson 3, the story of Aruni. Aruni was a very good student. He lived at his guru's ashram. One day it rained heavily. The fields were filled with water. The water washed away the ridge of a field. The Guru asked Aruni to repair it. Aruni went to the field with a spade. Two other students also accompanied him. They tried hard to repair the ridge, but it got washed away every time. The two students gave up and left for the ashram. Aruni was left alone. He tried many times to repair the ridge, but all in the vain. The current of water was student. Aruni was a very good student. You know who is a student? A person who gets knowledge from his school, that is called a student. He lived at his guru's ashram. Aruni was a very good student, very obedient student. He obeys his guru very much. He lived at his guru's ashram. Student, what is the meaning of ashram? Ashram means the place where guru lives with his pupil or students. Ashram is the place. In the ashram, guru and the students live together and they do the household works and studied both. Okay. One day it rained heavily. The fields were filled with water. One day there was too much rain. The fields were everywhere. Water, water everywhere. The fields were filled with water. The water washed away the ridge of a field. Due to heavy rain, the water washed away the ridge of a field. There was a ridge in every field to separate the one field to the other. Means, student, we can say a short wall. एक छोटी सी दीवार होती है, मेड़ जिसे कहते हैं, वो एक दूसरे फील्ड को सेपरेट करती है. The Guru asked Aruni to repair it. Student, when your tap, your fan is not working, then you call the mechanic and mechanic come and repair the tap or fan. Like this, his guru said, Aruni, go and repair this ridge. Aruni went to the field with a spade. Spade is a type of instrument used for digging. Okay, खोदने के लिए. Two other students also accompanied him. दो और बच्चे भी उसके साथ कंपनी के लिए गए बिकॉज गुरु ने बोला था जाने के लिए. They tried hard to repair the ridge, but it got washed away. They tried hard. They doing work hard, but the ridge was not made properly. Every time it washed due to heavy rain. This is the story from Mahabharata. Aruni of Panchala was a dedicated student of Guru Dhamya. Arnu lived in his Guru's ashram and doing all works of his Guru, daily chores in order to receive the divine knowledge. Okay, so due to heavy rain, the ridge was not repaired. The two students gave up and left for the ashram. They, the two students uh, returned back to the ashram. Arni was left alone. They become tired, so they left to the ashram, but Arni was there. He tried many times to repair the ridge, but all in the vain. The current of water was स्टूडेंट मीनिंग ऑफ इन द वेन कि जब हम कोई वर्क करते हैं और वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाता है देन वी कॉल्ड इन द वेन. The current of water was too strong. He thought of a plan. He lay down across the bridge and stopped the flow of water. He kept lying there in the water, stopping the ridge of the field from getting washed away. Student, it was a very cold night, winter day, and current means a flow of water. The flow of water is too strong. Then Aruni got an idea. He thought of plan. उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. इतनी ठंडी रात दिन था. He lay down across the bridge. Bridge means a hole or a gap in a wall. He thought if he lay down across the bridge, अगर वो ब्रिज पे जो होल है उस पे लेट जाए, the flow of water, जो पानी का एक फ्लो है उसके किनारे वो लेट जाए. He kept lying there in the water, stopping the ridge of the field from getting washed away. और उसने he done this, उसने ऐसा ही किया. He laid down the in front of bridge, ताकि वो फ्लो को करंट को रोक सके और पानी में सारा जो क्रॉप है वो बह ना जाए. Aruni thought what I do. First Aruni thought what I do, then he got the plan. He stopped to rebuild the embankment. So he decided there is he lay down कि अगर वो ले जाता है तो इसको रोक सकेगा. It was evening now. Aruni did not return to the ashram. The Guru came out looking for him. He called aloud, Aruni, Aruni. Aruni replied, Here I am, sir. The Guru quickly went to near him. He was very pleased with dutiful Aruni. He patted Aruni on his back and blessed him. It was evening now. As evening fell, it became dark. Aruni was not returned. The Aruni did not go back to the ashram. So, as evening fell and it became dark, everyone at the ashram started worrying about Aruni. The Sage gathered the other disciple and they all set out to look for Aruni. So the Guru came with the other disciples and for looking for him. उसको देखने के लिए जो गुरु थे वो आ गए क्योंकि शाम ज्यादा हो गई थी. Then he called. When they reached the field, they called out Aruni names. उन्होंने बार बार अरुणी अरुणी करके उसके नाम को पुकारा. और तब अरुणी वहां पे लेटा हुआ था एकदम ठंडी रात में. उसने कहा, Here I am, master. Everyone rushed toward the sound. They saw what they will saw. They saw Aruni lying on the bridge to prevent the water from leaking out. मतलब अरुणी वहां पे जब उन्होंने देखा कि अरुणी क्या है, अरुणी वहां पे उस होल के पास लेटा हुआ है. When nothing had worked, he had used his own body to stop the flow. उसने अपने पूरे शरीर का इस्तेमाल किया था उस पानी को रोकने के लिए. The disciples quickly pulled out Aruni out of the freezing water. They assured him, Don't worry, Aruni, we will fix the bridge. उन्होंने कहा कि अब जो है, Children, the Guru of the teacher shows you the way to reach the God. अब जब उन्होंने देखा कि अरुणी मतलब लगातार ठंडे से एकदम वो हो गया है, तो उन्होंने उसे एश्योर किया कि तुम चिंता मत करो और हम अब इसको बना देंगे. My son, you are more precious than this bridge, said the Guru. और उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या कहा कि चिल्ड्रन, द गुरु ऑफ द टीचर शोज यू टू द वे टू रीच द गॉड. बच्चों, जो टीचर होता है, ही शोज द वे टू रीच द गॉड, भगवान के पास जाने का रास्ता. वी लर्न फ्रॉम द टीचर हाउ टू गेट द पावर ऑफ गॉड. ओके, हम कैसे भगवान की शक्तियों को ले सकते हैं. द टीचर ऑल्सो गिव्स यू नॉलेज टू इनेबल यू टू मेक अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ट्रुथ एंड falsehood. एंड टीचर ऑल्सो गिव यू द नॉलेज टू make a difference between good or bad things, between truth and false, सच और झूठ, अच्छे बुरे में. गुरु gives you a knowledge. गुरु इस चीज की नॉलेज देता है. there is nothing in this world like knowledge. nothing in this world except knowledge. इस संसार में नॉलेज से ज्यादा, ज्ञान से ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. योर गुरु लीड्स यू टूवर्ड्स गेनिंग नॉलेज. जो गुरु होता है वो हमेशा लीड करवाता है नॉलेज की तरफ. योर टीचर शोज यू द वे टू बिकम अ ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी. आपका टीचर, आपका गुरु आपको बताता है कि आप एकदम ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी, एक अच्छे व्यक्तित्व के स्वामी कैसे बन सकते हैं. दैट इज वाई यू मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट योर teacher. Okay, your teachers, you must touch their feet and take their blessings. Student, what is the meaning of blessing? Invocation of happiness or success. And personality, personal character. You can be blessed if you follow your teachers and care and are respectful towards them. So student, if we touch their feet of your guru, then we take blessings. If you touch your feet, your elders, they give you blessing. जब आप टच करते हैं फीट को, पैर छूते, तो जो बड़े लोग होते हैं, they give you blessings ना. You can be blessed if you follow your teachers. Your teachers always blessed you, always gives you blessings if you follow your teachers order and respect their words. Okay, so student, moral of this story is always obey and respect your teacher. Means the kind of obedience that Aruni had was crucial in his quest to win the Guru's grace. We too can see what efforts we can make to develop this quality so that God and Guru will bless us. An example of this quality is listening to our parents and teacher. Means always obey and respect your teacher. Thank you. Have a nice day.